Many people were asking about taking this screen, okay, and making it a little bigger. You can do that by getting rid of the preview screens over here by putting that on preview only. And those are the preview screens that preview the photos that are taken. It gets a little bit bigger. You want to make it even bigger than your screen. You want to get rid of your banner at the top. Just hide the banner. It now gets bigger. It's still not big enough for you. You can actually go into the theme and put it on none, okay? And now when it's on none, you no longer have a window that's restricted, okay? And depending on the aspect ratio of your actual screen, you'll notice over on the far left side over here, I've got my button control that I use off screen, and obviously all these buttons are not, all those icons are not there, but I use that. So if I actually made this full screen by double clicking here, I'm covering the entire screen by setting it this way, and it's almost the full screen, depending on the aspect ratio of the screen itself and so on. So that's kind of how you would do it, and I hope that helps out.